A lot of information to pass along in my on-demand storm tracker forecast update here Monday afternoon. First, Arctic air is deepening across central Canada. That will begin to dive towards the south as we go through the next couple of days, but it's a little milder out there ahead of this Monday afternoon. Lots of 30s out there with a few exceptions, but a nice little break from the cold. But the cold, here it comes again. By the time we get into early Tuesday morning around 9 a.m., that cold Arctic air is basically stalling right against the Continental Divide and then staying out into the central areas of Montana. And that Arctic air slowly deepens as we get into about 5:30 a.m. on Wednesday. And again, that is beginning to push deeper through the Continental Divide, trying to encroach in on Bozeman. But I think there's a much better chance that that Arctic air is going to reach southwest Montana, especially Butte to Bozeman, by the time we get into Wednesday evening around 6 o'clock. So look for some wind and some snow and some blowing snow with this. Again, that front is going to stall basically right here as we go through Wednesday and possibly into Thursday. So it won't have a big impact on the entire region, but boy, you could have a big impact out here in northeastern Montana. They're looking at some brutally cold temperatures. So that's the first topic. Second topic is wind. Wind is closing I-90 Livingston due to gusts over 60 to 70 miles per hour. You're being detoured through town. There is a wind advisory there. There is some snow and some blowing snow over Monida, but the next cold front, next big push of snow is bumping up against the Montana-Idaho state line. So we got this storm system moving in from the west-southwest, Arctic air moving in from the north, and again, a lot of crazy highlights out. Wind chill advisories can't seem to get away from it, but the bigger issue for traveling is going to be into this evening, tomorrow morning. This is the first round of 2 waves of snow, and this will have a big impact on travel for your Tuesday morning commute. There could be 2 to 4 valley, 3 to 6 mountain, but gusts 30, 40, 50 miles per hour and some blowing snow. This wind warning out for Madison counties through midnight, but that wind advisory is through early tomorrow morning in the Livingston area. Winds should be pretty brisk this afternoon into this evening and then settle after we get behind the specific front into tomorrow morning. Okay, back to the snow topic. So West Yellowstone, a good chance for snow. As we get into early Tuesday morning, you're looking at about 2 to 4 inches of snow, but it jumps back up again as we get into Wednesday morning, Wednesday afternoon. Model spread is between about 4 to 8 inches. I think 10 is a little on the high side. Dillon, here's the model spread for you for potential snow. Again, maybe an inch or two as you get into the early morning hours on Tuesday, but Wednesday morning from 6 a.m. to noon, it is pretty good on aligning here. So around 4 inches, maybe 5 inches of snow is possible as you go into Wednesday. This is an Arctic front moving in, colliding with Pacific moisture. A good recipe for widespread light powdery snow. Again, wave number 1 for snow in Butte shows up about 6 a.m. You got about 2 to 4 inches. Kind of flatline throughout the day Tuesday, and then a jump back up as we get into the early morning hours to midday on Wednesday. Model spread is pretty consistent. We like to see this when they're very tight together. You can see most models are coming in around 4, maybe up to 6 inches of snow. In Bozeman, watch for a couple of inches of snow as you go into Tuesday morning, but I think a bigger punch of snow is with that Arctic front and Pacific moisture, and by the time we get into noon on Wednesday, we're looking at possibly 4 to 5 inches of snow of accumulation, so that's going to have a big impact Wednesday morning. So storm system number 1 tonight, tomorrow morning, often on snow bands moving through with a little bit of wind in there as well, and then a break as you go through Tuesday afternoon. Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, a much bigger area of snow is pushing in. This is an Arctic system with Pacific moisture. Big impact as you go through the day on Wednesday. Snow, blowing snow, icy roads, and then just cold for Wednesday afternoon into Thursday morning. So again, storm system number 1 picking up an inch or 2 in the valleys, 2 to 4 over mountains and passes. Storm number 2 shows up Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Much better chance for valley and mountain snow showers in here. Bigger impact traveling Wednesday across the region. But look at these crazy temperatures. Butte cooling tomorrow, but much colder on Wednesday, and then 3 below 0 by Thursday morning. Up to almost 40 degrees again by Friday. Wow, just a big push of temperatures from Arctic air moving in from the north and warm moist air moving in from the west and south, but a little quieter as you go into the weekend. Same for Bozeman. 26 Tuesday, 13 on your Wednesday, but up to 40 degrees by Friday, and then staying in the 30s as you head into the weekend. Dillon, again, increasing snow tonight, tomorrow morning, then Wednesday into Thursday, but you could jump right back up in the upper 30s by Friday and a little bit cooler by the weekend. And West Yellowstone, a solid chance for snow this evening, tomorrow morning, and then a steadier state of snow Wednesday through Saturday, and again, a lot of up and down temperatures here through the next 5 to 7 days.